Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Solvers. Here I want to find x where we have square root of x plus 9 minus the square root of x is 1. This is a good question for you if you're preparing for GRE or GMAT, and the difficulty level of this question is easy to medium. So let's see how can we solve this. To solve this, in the first step, I'll take this to the right, then we get the square root of x plus 9 equals 1 plus the square root of x. And then in the next step, I raise each side to the power of 2, aiming to get rid of the square roots. If I do that, then this 2 and the square root cancel out each other, and what is left is x plus 9. On the right hand side, the story is a bit different. Generally, we know when we have a plus b squared, this is a plus b times a plus b, okay? And this is a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So following that, here on the right side, we have 1 plus x plus 2 times a square root of x, okay? And now, in the next step, I'll take these two terms to the left because they are kind of similar. Then it helps to get rid of some of these terms and simplify it. So if I take this to the left, then we have x plus 9 minus 1 minus x equals 2 times the square root of x, okay? And this cancel out each other, and here this gives us 8. So 8 equals 2 times the square root of x. If I divide each side by 2, then this gives me 4 equals the square root of x. And when the square root of x equals 4, we can conclude that, I can write it here, we can conclude that x is 16. And this is the answer, which is D.